Well, hey, next Saturday. Okay. All right, thanks, man. Thanks for calling. Why didn't I wrap this with something? It's all scraped up. Up here on the back. So you can stand up. Stand up on that. Hey, look who it is. Coco. What are you doing? What you up to? Oh, sorry. Privacy. Anyways. I just wanted to get the truck prepped in position, steering wheel out and all that so we can take the cab off. I got my neighbor coming over tomorrow to help me get that off, and so I can get it on the little dolly to move it in and out of the garage, flip it over, and work on the bottom of it and get this place cleaned up, because holy moly, this garage is a mess. Hi, Coco. All right. Jeez, crazy. All right, cab's back off onto the dolly so I can move it around. I'm gonna work in the garage because it's super windy out there today. Weld up all the bottom part of the floor now when we get to welding. Okay, so I just wiped down everything and hit this with a little bit of that, a little bit of primer so this metal doesn't start rusting while I work on other stuff.
Oh, Dad, can you do like a puzzle with me?
It's starting to look like a real floor.
Let me see.
Does it look like a floor or what?
No.
What? Oh, kids. They're too honest. Well, it looks like a floor to me.
Tumbleweed garage.